Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous sessions, we have created the API routes for all the endpoints. Now it's time to integrate the client-side changes, which is nothing but Angular. So earlier we have created the brand new Angular project. So this is the setup page. Now we have to create our own components to make it work. So let's create the required components now. Now let's close all of these tabs. Now go to the client folder inside the src. Whatever we are seeing, this content is coming from the app.component.html. So let's remove all of these things. Okay, and now create the new components. So now inside the app folder, we have to create folders like pages and partials. So pages will be the actual route pages and partials will be the subcomponents where we can use multiple places. So here we have created. Let's see what we have to create. Let's go to this terminal. Now cd double dot navigate back to client folder. Okay. Now we'll have to create the required components. So first we'll create the pages. npm run ng new. Remember, as I told, I have not installed the Angular CLI globally. That's why I'm using npm run before Angular commands. So use ng new ng-gc for the creation of components. Let's say we wanted to create inside the pages. The first one is the home component. So let's click on enter. So this will create the home component inside the pages. See, here it will be taking some time and it will create. So here it got created successfully, home component.html inside the pages. Now let's create checkout component. Checkout. So checkout component also created inside the pages. Here you can see home, checkout, and also we need to create two more components. One is for the login, other one is the registration of the user. So let's create the login. See, here we got the login folder, login component. Let's run the same command by making it to register. So here it should be creating the register component. So we got the required components: checkout, home, login, register, and also create the partials. Okay, so what we required, partials means, let's create inside the partials. Let's make it as cart. Okay, cart component, where the user can select the items and see cart is created successfully inside the partials. And also we want header. Let's change it to header. So here you can see inside the partial folders we got the cart, we got the header, and also create the footer inside the partials. And we also need search by using input. Let's create the search component, and we can also search with the help of tags. So we got the search components inside the partials. Okay, now let's create the tags component. we can also able to search using tags. So we have successfully created all the required components. See here, inside the pages we have checkout, home, and login and register components. So now let's go back to the routing. So here we can go to routing, app.routing.module.ts. This is the routing file. So where we can import all the required files here. So let's directly go here and take an object. See here, we have to give the path for each component. So first component will be, we'll making it as a empty path, and we'll use redirect to home component. So we can give /home, and we have to give path match full, we can mention match full. Okay, now we have to define the remaining components. Okay, first define the remaining components, like give the path home, and we have to mention the component home component, and next we can mention the remaining routes, login and register. We have to give path login / component login component. So it will automatically import whenever we are using the particular component. So use also path register. This is for the register route, component register. So we have one more route, checkout component. See here, checkout component. If we create checkout component, yes, we have created. And along with this, if you remember, at the time of payment we were redirecting these links to success and failure pages. So let's create success and failure pages. On successful payment, we can redirect them to success. Let's create the page inside pages success. So we are creating the success components inside the pages. Okay, now also create the fail. So we got the success component inside the pages, and we also got the failure. Okay, so let's give the path for those things as well. Okay, path success, and we need to mention the component as success component, and we have to give the failure component as well. So path fail, just name it as fail component fail. So we have successfully created the routing as well. Now let's go back to the browser. So here we are getting, let's see, just localhost 4200. By default it is redirecting to home page. See here, but nothing is displaying on the home page. Let's see, are we getting any error? So nothing is there. Okay, so we have removed completely from the app.component.html, right? Let's add router outlet. And refresh the page. So here by default it will go to home route, and it is displaying homework. And if you go to success works, fail, so we have given only fail. So fail is also working. Now we have to integrate our changes. So I have a code snippet for this each and every component. Let's go and copy those things. So here we go here, header, where is that header? Inside the partials. Okay, so I have the prepared code snippet for this one. Let's copy this HTML. And is there any CSS? Yeah, we have a small CSS for this one. Let's paste it that inside the CSS file. Now see, add this. Just for now, what we can do is apply from header. I'll be adding it. We need to restructure this one, and we'll be doing that in the coming video. See here, code online is coming, but we forgot to install the bootstrap. Let's install that bootstrap now. So npm install, we will be using bootstrap. Okay, npm install bootstrap. It will install the bootstrap. We need to add that bootstrap link inside the angular.json. See here, it got created successfully. And if you go to the package.json, here you can see bootstrap. So bootstrap 5 currently we are using. Now add it to the angular.json. So here you can see, here you can add. So where it will present inside the node modules. Let's give the path / node underscore modules / bootstrap. It will present inside the bootstrap dist, and it will be css / we have to give the minified version bootstrap .min .css. So it will be taking from this path and save all the files. Once again go to browser. Once run that ngserve command again, you will see. So go to the client project. I will cancel the previous command and running the command again. So the client got compiled successfully. Now go back to the browser. See here, we can see the header. Okay, so in the same way we will be integrating other components, and we'll do the API integration in the upcoming sessions. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next session.